In this video, I'll show you how to find and copy your Twitter profile link. Let's get started. First, open Twitter on your phone and wait for it to fully load. Once the app is open, tap on your profile photo in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Profile to go to your profile page. Now, look at the top right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Next, select Share, then tap on Copy Link. Your profile link is now copied to your clipboard. To use it, simply open any app like Notes, WhatsApp, or Messages and paste the link. When you open this link, it will take you directly to your Twitter profile. This is useful if you want to share your profile with friends, clients, or on other social media platforms. And that's it. That's how you can easily find and copy your Twitter profile link. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.